2002 Lincoln Continental. What we got done on it, got factory converters there, and there. Then it's got a factory resonator there, 2 1/4 all the way back. And then we did a rear muffler delete there and there. There's the 2 mufflers we deleted right there. A lot of theirs today. Left his original tips. He's gonna bring it back for, we're gonna change the tips for him. All we did is a muffler delete on it today. Let you guys hear it in a second. Lincoln Continental 32 valve V8. Lincoln Continental 2002 muffler delete. That's what they sound like. Not too bad actually. There's the sound decibels. Again. Right at 95. There's the 2 mufflers we cut off right there. Nashville skyline. That don't sound too bad actually. I like it. What do you guys think? Let us know. Let you hear on the inside. (2002) Lincoln Continental muffler delete. You don't see these no more. Oh, that sounds good. Look at that big fly too. Enjoy, guys.